So do these keys belong to someone?
इस चाबी का मैं ही हूँ ऑनर। हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो।
Now, people keep a spare key under the doormat. What is the right place to hide a spare key?
और चाबी खो जाए।
Why didn't they just enter from the window? Today I'm here to meet the shopkeeper, whose key proposition is keys itself. Hey, hi there.
Hi.
Hi, good to see you here. Wow, what a lovely shop you have here. Can I come in and we do this interview? Is that fine?
हाँ fine, okay.
All right, let's push this back.
हाँ okay.
All right, let's push this back. Yeah, push this here. Yeah, that more. That's a lot. All right, come on. I want to know, how do you verify if a person duplicating a key is the owner or if he's a burglar?
वो फेस के impression से मालूम पड़ेगा।
So, do I look like an owner or do I look like a burglar?
You like a owner.
All right, thanks a lot. Thank you. You look like an owner too. So what are these keys here?
ये सब डोर का की है, ये लॉक्स का की है, जो पैडलॉक आता है ये उसका की है।
Got it. So do these keys belong to someone?
इस चाबी का मैं ही हूँ ऑनर।
You have so many doors. Some average people are watching this show. What would you tell them would be the key to unlock greatness?
जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ने के लिए अपने करियर पे फोकस करना चाहिए।
That's right.
हाँ, इधर उधर कुछ भी नोटिस नहीं करना चाहिए।
And is that the key to success?
Yes.
Wow. I don't have one, so can you give me a duplicate copy of the key to success? What key is this?
ये गोदरेज का की है।
All right.
गोदरेज तिजोरी होती है ना, सेफर लॉक,
Got it.
उसका की है।
How is it a safe if you can duplicate a key? I have a biometric lock in the US. Can you help me duplicate my thumb?
नहीं, ऐसा अंगूठे का तो कुछ भी सिस्टम पॉसिबल नहीं है, बट उसमें क्या है, उसमें एक पिन डालना पड़ता है।
Like my mom
Pin
used to
code.
wear saris and she had pins.
No,
Do
no.
I take that pin and poke it?
नो नो नो, पासवर्ड पिन।
Password. All right. Okay. What key is this?
ये मेरा गाड़ी का चाबी है, मैंने इसका डुप्लीकेट किया है।
You made a duplicate for your own bike.
यस।
Why did you do that?
मेरा घर में ये चाबी रखा था, वो बच्चा किधर फेंक दिया है, तो चाबी मेरा लॉस हो गया था।
Your child threw the Activa away, is that right?
हाँ हाँ।
He threw a scooter.
नहीं, की ओनली की।
I recently bought a car in the US and they gave me a big key
ओके।
and they took it back. Now I want that key. Can you help me make one here?
वो खाली फोटो शूट के लिए रहता है बस उसमें। नो वन इज मेक दैट की।
Yeah, but I want to use the big key, right?
बिग की नहीं यूज कर सकते उसके।
Why not?
वो लॉक छोटा रहता है, की बड़ा रहता है।
Wow, what can you open with this key here?
ये इसका लॉक का की है, ये लॉक है ना, ये इसका की है।
So if you already have a lock and the key there, why do you need to make another one?
इसका कोई आंसर नहीं है, ये कोई लॉजिक नहीं है।
I want to ask you, people keep a spare key under the doormat, in the flower pot, or they keep it inside a pair of shoes. What is the right place to hide a spare key?
कि ऐसे नहीं रखना चाहिए, पैंट का पॉकेट में रखे, नहीं तो कोई आपका कजन है उसको आप हैंड ओवर कर दे की।
Only a cousin,
हाँ।
not an uncle or aunt or not a grandmother, only cousin. What is the original? What is the duplicate?
This is original, this is duplicate.
And where is this house?
This house is my house keys.
Can I go to your house now and open the door?
नहीं, ऐसे तो कोई भी नहीं देगा सर।
All
आप
right.
चोरी कर दिए तो।
So who is the most popular person you've made a key for?
एक डीएसपी था, उसके घर का चाबी थोड़ा लॉस हो गया था।
And how many members in his family?
5-6 members.
So 6 members have only one key, is that right?
Other key is inside, but the door is automatic is closed.
So who locked the door from outside?
हवा से बंद हो गया. No one is inside.
He's responsible, isn't it?
नहीं, वो key inside था, door open था.
Door was open.
हाँ, door
Then
is.
why did they need you to make the key?
He's walking in ground and the door is closed.
Who closed?
Wind closed the door.
And where did the wind come from?
Window.
So the window was open.
हाँ.
Why didn't they just enter from the window?
विंडो से कैसे जा सकता है सर अंदर? विंडो के अंदर नहीं जा सकता है ना.
Is it because they were all fat?
हाँ. ये शटर लॉक है, ये डोर का लॉक है.
Do you make locks as well?
No. I only sell.
If I have the key, but if I lose the lock, can you duplicate the lock for me?
हम तुम एक कमरे में बंद हो और चाबी खो जाए.
That's right. That's amazing. So is that your theme song?
हाँ, यही गाना है. अगर बिजनेस को देखे तो यही गाना सूट करता है कस्टमर के ऊपर.
This man is known for making keys, but small businesses in India will have to start buying locks from him because they might all shut down. Let's take a ride back in time to 1980. A CEO of a motorbike company which was failing said, instead of selling bikes as transportation, we will sell it as lifestyle. Juan Beals transformed Harley Davidson. He built a community that resonated with freedom, rebellion, and personal identity. Today, we see that community all around the world. Some scaling the terrains of Yosemite, others going to Kanakpura for a Sunday morning ride and some masala dosa. That is the power of identifying the right target audience.